Using Exam Builder. Exam Builder is one of our newest features which allows you to build exams and utilize our AI technology to get instant feedback for pupil responses. This video will show you how to create your exams using Exam Builder. To find Exam Builder, click on the course from the menu and click the Exam Builder button. The first thing you need to do is type in your exam name and the due date for the exam, and you can also add some instructions for your pupils if you want to. You also need to select the class or group you are making the exam for, or you can just select no group if you want to just download your exam. Now you can use the left-hand bar to select your exam questions. You can tick the paper or topics you want to include in the exam, and you can also filter the exam questions by mark too. Once you are happy with your filters, click Apply Filters and your exam questions will appear below. To add an exam question, just click on it and it will appear on the right. You can add as many questions as you want, and you can also reorder the questions by clicking and holding down on the 3 lines to the left of the exam question and drag it where it needs to be. You can also delete a question if you no longer want it in the exam by clicking on the X on the right side of the exam question. Once you are happy with the exam, click the Post/Schedule button here. Here you can either post the exam now by clicking the button here, or you can set the date that the pupils will see the exam in their dashboard here and click Schedule Exam. You can now view your exam by clicking on the Manage Existing Exams drop-down. From here, you can edit the exam details by clicking the edit icon, such as the name or the due date, and click Save Changes to save any edits made. You can also archive the exam so it no longer shows up on your exams. And you can share the exam by clicking the Share icon. From here, you can choose to either download the PDF version of the exam if you want to print it out and get pupils to write their answers out by hand, or you can share the online link so pupils can complete the exam on their computer and get instant AI feedback. You can also view the online exam by clicking the eye icon next to the name of the exam. This is how the online exam will look for pupils when they follow the link, or they can find the exam on their pupil dashboard after logging in. This will show the pupil the title of the exam, the instructions of the exam, and the total marks. Then they can answer each question in the boxes below and go between pages using the arrows. The pupil can save their progress at any time if they want to go back to the exam. Then once they are finished, pupils can click Submit Exam on the final page. Once they submit the exam, they will receive instant AI marks and feedback, and get an overall percentage for the test. They can then look through the exam and see where they got their marks from, and they can attempt the exam again if they want to by following the link again or going through their pupil dashboard.